In this video, we are going to be walking you through how to apply for the Duke Solar Rebate. In the email that was sent to you by Cape Fear Solar Systems, you should have the link of where to click and apply for the rebate. Once you get to that screen, please select Customer. Now enter your unique ID. If you don't have this number, you can reach out to Cape Fear Solar Systems and we will provide it for you. Next, please enter the exact name on your account that appears on your Duke bill and in your Duke interconnection application. Also, please use the email address that you would like to get confirmation at. Finally, in the installer email field, please put support@capefearsolarsystems.com. Please enter your address exactly as it appears on your Duke Energy bill. Be sure to match it exactly, otherwise Duke will reach back out for corrections. If your mailing address is the same as your Duke service address on your bill, please select that. If it is a different address, select accordingly. Next, select whether you are a residential, commercial, or nonprofit customer. Finally, put in the nameplate rating of your AC kilowatt value to calculate your total rebate amount. If you do not know this number, please reach out to Cape Fear Solar Systems for more information. Once you are comfortable with the terms, click Agree and click that you're not a robot. Finally, submit your application. You will receive confirmation by email from Duke Energy and then subsequent approval if it was done in the time where there is still allotted rebate funds. This is a first come, first served program, so please make sure to do this as soon as possible after 9 a.m. on the day the rebate opens. Please find more information in the email, including this video, and reach out to Cape Fear Solar Systems at any time with questions. Thank you.